This is our strand handle. It is made of hot-rolled flat steel. Prevent rust. Do not break or bend. Gold zinc plating increases corrosion protection. Its spring-loaded ratchet pin design enables handle fits different sizes of wire tighteners and adds adjustment safety. Its self-ratcheting makes it easy to ratchet back and forth to tighten a strainer. Do not need to remove and replace the handle during tightening. Additional square hole in the tail is strong and durable. Makes the using life longer and easy to hang.